Is TD Bank FDIC insured? TD Bank deposits are FDIC insured. This means your money is safe up to $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank, for each account ownership category. The Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, is an independent agency created by the U.S. government in response to bank failures during the Great Depression. Its primary purpose is to maintain stability and public confidence in the nation's financial system. When you deposit money in an FDIC-insured bank like TD Bank, the government guarantees that you will get your money back, even if the bank fails. This protection is crucial for individual depositors and businesses alike. The standard insurance amount is $250,000 per depositor. This coverage applies to various deposit accounts, including checking accounts, savings accounts, money market deposit accounts, and certificates of deposit, CDs. It's important to understand that the FDIC insurance limit applies per depositor, per insured bank. If you have accounts at multiple banks, each one is insured separately, up to the $250,000 limit. Also, different account ownership categories, such as individual accounts, joint accounts, and trust accounts, are insured separately. This allows some individuals to have significantly more than $250,000 protected at one bank by strategically using different ownership categories. For example, a person could have $250,000 in their name, $250,000 jointly with their spouse, and $250,000 in a trust, all at the same bank, and all would be FDIC insured. Interestingly, the FDIC has only failed to cover deposits a handful of times in its history. Even then, depositors ultimately received all their insured funds. This strong track record underscores the reliability of FDIC insurance and the protection it provides to TD Bank depositors and customers across the nation.